Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best LED light tester is probably one of the most useful tools for Christmas light enthusiasts and professional decorators alike, saving you countless hours of frustration and enabling you to quickly identify and resolve issues with your LED Christmas lights, ensuring that your holiday lighting displays are always dazzling and functional, whether you are tackling a small set of lights on your Christmas tree or a large-scale outdoor display. Number 5. Ulta-Lit LED Repair Tool. This innovative tool is designed to quickly and easily fix your LED Christmas light sets. It's simple to use and comes with everything you need for a fast repair. It features a built-in bulb and fuse tester to quickly identify the source of the problem. This saves you valuable time and frustration. The tool also includes a handy bulb puller and 2 universal replacement pods to help with any socket issues. It's all you need for a complete repair. Along with the tool, you'll receive a 9-volt battery, 2 place markers to help with testing, and the replacement pods. Everything you need is right in the box. It's important to note that this tool is designed for conventional, series-style LED Christmas light sets. It does not work with incandescent lights, rope lights, or sets with control boxes. Ulta-Lit stands behind the quality of this tool with a lifetime warranty, excluding batteries and bulbs. Visit Ulta-Lit.com for more information. What we like. It efficiently repairs most LED Christmas light sets. It comes with a built-in bulb and fuse tester, as well as a bulb puller, making troubleshooting a breeze. If you have traditional LED Christmas lights and need a reliable tool for repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. My first repair was to a 70 LED 24-foot outside string that was wrapped on a tree, but in 10 minutes it was fixed. This tool allowed me to quickly and easily identify the bad LEDs, and now all 3 sets are working 100%. It does exactly what they say it does and how it is shown in the videos on their website. Number 4. LightKeeper Pro Repair Tool. Tired of broken Christmas lights? LightKeeper Pro quickly fixes most incandescent sets, saving you time and frustration. It's the simple solution for a brighter holiday season. It tackles the most common problem, shunt issues, in seconds with just a squeeze. Get your lights shining again in a flash. If it's not a shunt issue, don't worry. It also features an audible voltage detector to pinpoint the exact break in the circuit. It comes with everything you need: bulb and fuse testers, a bulb puller, storage for spares, and even replacement bulbs and batteries. It's truly a complete kit. It's built to last. The manufacturer provides a lifetime warranty, ensuring quality and peace of mind. Visit Ulta-Lit.com for details. Remember, it's designed for incandescent lights only, and won't work with LEDs, rope lights, or sets with control boxes. Also, it can't revive bulbs that are already blackened. What we like. This tool quickly fixes most incandescent light sets. Its unique quick fix method tackles the most common type of failure. If you primarily use incandescent lights and value speed and efficiency in repairs, this is your best bet. What people say. The instructions were very clear and give several pointers on troubleshooting. It turns out that a vast majority of problems are caused by failed shunts in the bulbs. As I suspected, this company has found a way to shock the shunts back to life when the shunt fails. After 1 or 2 clicks of the trigger, voila, the string was lit again. The tool led me to the faulty bulb. The bulb tester confirmed it was not working, and I placed it with a functioning bulb. It has worked flawlessly, and so far it has recovered all 8 faulty strings I have checked with it. In 6 cases the primary method, inserting the faulty string section and pulling the trigger, worked, and the string came back to life with no other action required. Number 3. ALLSUN GK13 Christmas Light Tester. This handy tool makes testing your Christmas lights a breeze. It quickly identifies burned-out bulbs and faulty wiring, saving you time and frustration. With its non-contact AC voltage detection, it's safe and easy to use. Simply point it at the lights to check for power. The kit comes with 50 colorful replacement bulbs in various colors to brighten up your holiday decorations. They're perfect for indoor or outdoor use. It's simple to use and tests wires, fuses, and bulbs. It's a flexible tool for all your holiday lighting needs. Get ready for the holidays with this complete kit. It has everything you need to ensure your lights are working perfectly and beautifully illuminate your home. These bulbs and the tester are perfect for Christmas trees, wreaths, garlands, and other holiday decorations, both indoors and outdoors. What we like. This tester offers a safe, non-contact way to identify faulty bulbs. It also includes 50 replacement bulbs, saving you time and money. If you prefer a contactless method and want extra bulbs on hand, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This is a handy little tool and easy to use. Not only are you able to quickly weed out bad bulbs and fuses for Christmas lights, but we were also able to use it to find a bad outlet and check batteries that have been sitting in a drawer. It did help us find the issue of a part of the tree that was not working. This is a great drive to ensure light bulbs still work. Number 2. LightKeeper Pro. Dealing with broken or tangled Christmas lights is a real pain. It can take hours to sort out the mess, and sometimes you just give up. But there's a better way. This innovative tool is designed to make fixing your Christmas lights quick and easy. It helps you untangle, repair, and store your lights efficiently. Say goodbye to frustrating knots and tangled messes. It gently guides your lights through, leaving them straight and ready to use. It helps you quickly pinpoint and replace faulty bulbs, saving you valuable time and effort during the holiday season. After the holidays, it helps you neatly store your lights, preventing tangles and damage for next year. It keeps everything organized and ready to go. With it, you can spend less time struggling with lights and more time enjoying the holidays with your loved ones. Make this year's decorating a breeze. What we like. It is a comprehensive solution for all your Christmas light repair needs. It is designed for ease of use and efficiency. If you need a versatile tool that handles various issues, this is the one for you. What people say. The trigger fix solution works great and will activate the shunts in strings where there are multiple failures. As you can see in the picture before and after. One click of the gun and the lights came on. The light tester worked great and helped me find the bad bulbs that I replaced with the 5 spare bulbs provided. Number 1. TKDMR LED Backlight Tester. Is your LED TV backlight malfunctioning? Don't worry, we have the solution. This tester helps you quickly identify and fix the problem. It's designed for safe and precise troubleshooting of various LED TV backlight problems. It accurately measures voltage to pinpoint the issue. With an input voltage of 85V, 265V and an output of 0-300V at 30 mA, it's compatible with a wide range of LED backlights. This ensures it can handle various LED TV models. This tool allows for quick diagnosis of LED backlight problems. It saves you valuable time and money on repairs. It's built for durability and safety. It won't damage the LED beads during testing, even with prolonged use. It features dual protection for power and isolation. Its compact size makes it perfect for on-site repairs. It's easy to carry and use wherever you need it. We stand behind our product. Contact us if you have any questions or need assistance. What we like. This specialized tester is perfect for troubleshooting LED TV backlights. It offers a safe and accurate way to diagnose problems. If you need to repair LED TV backlights, this is the tool for you. What people say. This LED tester is $19 delivered to my door. It comes complete with test probes and is designed for one specific purpose only, test LEDs. Whether it's a single LED, a strip of 6 or an entire array of 20+ LEDs, this tester will test them all. I used it to test the top and bottom half backlight arrays of a 55-inch LG HD TV I was repairing. Not only I was able to identify the defective strip from the entire array in seconds, but I also zeroed in on the actual bad LED. It reads the LED bulb, or even an entire string of them, and gives it whatever power it needs to light them up. If they don't light, they're bad. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.